Hi, you are watching AppsTT Training. Illustrator Workspace Overview. The application frame combines all workspace panels into a single, integrated window. Let's create a new document. From the top, this is a menu bar. From the right-hand side, we have different panels open, and we can access the same from the window menu. From the left side, we have a toolbox. Clicking on these arrows, the toolbox can be changed in a single column or in a double column. Select the gripper to move the toolbox. You can undock it, rearrange it to the new location. Did you notice a blue vertical line? It will attach here. I keep the toolbox where it used to be. On the toolbar, we have various tools for creating and editing artwork, images, etc. Also, similar tools are grouped. To access hidden tools from the toolbox, right-click on the tool, which has a little triangle beneath it. Right-clicking on this mini toolbar appears. You can dock it, or group it as required. You can rearrange it. And can dock it. Now I close this panel. Now let's see, from the right side, I click on one of the panels, and it appears. And if I click anywhere in the app, it stays. I click on the Panels button to close it. There is a setting in the Preferences. Or you can access the same setting by right-clicking on the panel. Here is the setting, Auto Collapse Iconic Panels. To access the same setting, go to the Edit, Preferences, General, then User Interface and select Auto Collapse Iconic Panels. Then click on OK. But I deselect the setting. This is the entire document workspace area. Let's see about multiple documents. Right-click on the Open Document tab and select New Document. It will open a new document dialog box. Select any preset, and click the Create button. You have created another blank document. I select one of the Document tab and move it. It will rearrange the documents. Also, select the tab and move it down. It will undock from the tab. From the menu bar, we have a shortcut for Arrange Documents. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select one of the preset. You can select another preset and can rearrange documents. To hide or show all panels, you have to press the Tab key on the keyboard to show or hide all panels, including the toolbar and tool options bar. For instant access to the toolbar or panels, you have to move your mouse pointer to the right or left side of the application window. To access only panels, you have to press the Shift plus Tab keys on the keyboard. Use the Tab key on the keyboard to get back to all the tools and panels. That's it for Workspace Overview. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.